Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to upload your Filmora version 11 video inside of your YouTube channel. So basically, instead of editing your videos, exporting them and rendering them in your PC and then re-uploading them inside of your YouTube channel, Filmora give you the option to actually directly exporting the video into your YouTube channel. So instead of going all the way around the circle of uploading it on your PC and then on your YouTube channel, you can directly just dragging it inside of your YouTube channel. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now what I needed to do guys is basically go ahead and create a new project, and please, as always, make sure that you are logged into your account. If not, they will not give you this export option, which is over here. Now, after you log into your account, you go here and you start editing the video that you have. So for example, me, this is my video. I will try to start editing it. So let's cut it to here. Let's cut it somewhere in here, for example, and split, and let's make split here, and here we make a split, we cut it in here, we can add some colors, something like so, here, and etc, blah blah blah. Now let's add an effect, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys, this is not necessary for me to do it, but I'm just showing an example. Now after we do all of that and we are done with this, we can add like a text, for example. Anyway, now after we are done with this, let's go to export. Now, after you open it for the first time, it will be shown something like that. Well, what you'll have to do is in the option right above, you will find YouTube. So here we click on YouTube, and here you will not be directly connected. So first of all, it will be something like so. So you have to log into your account, which will be simply like going to your email and activating it. So something like that. It will not even take a lot of time. So right after you activate your Filmora from your email, right after that, it will take like a couple seconds and it will open something like so. Now here you put the title, quality, description. It's as it's like the same thing as uploading the video from your PC into your YouTube channel. So here you put title, quality, description, category, tags, privacy, and here you see the size and the duration of the video. And you click on export and it will be started to be exported inside of your YouTube channel. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.